Alright, let's get started. Tie your hair up into a ponytail. Prep your lips. You see me using this lip balm a lot because it doesn't dry out my lips due to the fact that it doesn't have any wax ingredients in it. Make sure to moisturize your face. I should have put on a face primer, but I totally forgot. Apply Vaseline to your hairline just in case if the liquid latex ends up getting on it. Wear a shirt that you don't care about. I started using this Halloween white face paint, then I realized it's freaking crappy and blotchy. Yeah, definitely not using this white face paint ever again. Taking this crap off. Okay, let's start again. I'm using the lightest color foundation that I have. Apply the foundation all over the face and blend it into the hairline. Put it on your ears, down your neck, and onto your chest. Take a matte white eyeshadow color and apply it all over the face to set the foundation. Definitely so much better than the white face paint. Take a green eyeshadow and apply it to your brows. I'm just following the shape of my brows. Take an eyeshadow primer and apply it all over the lid and underneath the eyes. With this bright purple eyeshadow color, apply it all over the lid to underneath the brow bone and apply it underneath the eyes as well. I use a blush brush to buff it out. Do another layer of purple eyeshadow on the upper lid to underneath the bone and apply the eyeshadow underneath the eye, blending it out. This doesn't have to look perfect. Beetlejuice makeup looks like he just woke up from the dead. Do the same thing to the other eye. Take a matte black eyeshadow and apply it to the top of the lid first, then underneath the eye. Blend it out. I'm trying to create an ombre look from dark to light. Take a green eyeshadow and start contouring the face. I do the temples first, then the side of my face. Bring it down to underneath the cheekbones, then down to the jawline. I take the green shadow and start contouring my neck and chest with it too. Well, I don't even know why I'm coloring my chest because my costume is going to be covering my chest anyways. I take this olive eyeshadow and use it to contour my face as well. Trying to make myself look sick and gory. I use the same color to contour the side of my nose. Now with this dark gray color, I add some depth and use it as contouring as well. Whenever you layer any color, you want to go from the lightest to the darkest shade. Touch up the lighter areas with the white eyeshadow and blend everything together. Take some latex and pour it into a bowl that you don't care about. Grab some oats and dump it into the latex. I use my cuticle pusher and start mixing the oats and latex together. Start adding the oats onto where you want your skin to look like it's rotting. Layer the oats on top of each other randomly. Use a blow dryer to speed up the drying process. Take some peat moss, dip it into the liquid latex, then add it on top of the oats. Now just randomly add it to wherever you think it's needed. Use the blow dryer to speed up the drying process again. Take a black eyeliner and line the waterline and your upper lash line. I got these lashes from the dollar store a little bit ago. Apply whatever eyelashes that you have at home. With the Ben Nye Neutral Set Loose Powder, I use it to set the latex so it's not so sticky. Then I go in with the Ben Nye Cream Color in yellow and start coloring over the oats. Next I go in with the lime green watercolor and start shading in different parts of the oats. Now I go in with the Ben Nye Cream Color in green to add a little bit more of a punch. I like using the green color because it makes it look like you're rotting. With the burgundy cream color, shade in different parts of the oats. The best part about Halloween is that you get to be creative and you don't have to worry about making your makeup look perfect. I'm using this brown cream color and shade in more depth on the oats. With the black cream color, pop out some of the oats. Add a little bit of red cream color to some of the oats to make it look like it's bleeding. I use a matte yellow, olive, brown, and red eyeshadow to set the rotting oats. For my lips, I use a purple eyeliner to line my lips. If you have a purple lip liner, use that instead. Then I apply a gray lipstick first, then follow up with a black lipstick, just tapping it on top. Now for the best part. Yes, blood. Pour blood into a container that you don't care about. Start applying it to the rotting wounds. Time to put this whole look together. Here's the wig that I'm using. I start backcombing the wig a little bit, making it look crazy. With this green face paint, I add it onto my wig since I don't have any green hair color spray paint. Here's the costume that I'm wearing. Yeah, I know it's not my size, but it fits pretty well. This costume came with bugs and I'm adding it onto my hair. Add some fun color contacts if you have them. Here's what it looks like up close. Time to take off the makeup. Honestly, just rip it off. Don't add any water. I'm not gonna lie, it might hurt a little bit. That is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to have fun, be creative, and I'll see you next time.